Hey everyone, we're back with another video about the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. And what we're going to talk about today is the new button. It's called the camera control button, and I'm going to just do a simple introduction, show you guys how to use it. So it's quite simple. Default, when you push it down, it's going to be the camera. And that makes a lot of sense. So, what we're going to want to do, like the whole point is like to make it feel like a camera. So if you hold it down and put a little bit of pressure, you'll see it becomes a zoom. So now I can zoom in close. Oops, I can zoom in close, or if I put pressure, I can zoom out. All right, so then that's one part of the how to use this camera control button is to zoom in and out. And that's if you put some slight pressure on, it'll sense that you want to go to the zoom in, zoom out. If you don't put enough pressure, then it's not going to sense it. So let me just go, oh, if you push it down, it's going to take a picture. All right, so now the next part is we're going to want to go to holding it down. If I hold it down longer, then it's going to start filming. So I'm recording a video now. All right. All right, next is if I click it twice, it's going to go to these functions right here. You'll see there's flash, and then there's a zoom, or depth, zoom, camera, styles, and tone. So I can go ahead and change some of that, and then it allows me to change the tone. So you're going to feel a little vibrate, and you want to feel that little vibrate twice, and you can control some of these other options. Exposure, let's go ahead and push that. All right, so I'm going to go back, push it twice. Now we can check out the depth. Yeah, so go ahead and play around with that. But you just want to make sure you feel that little vibration twice, and then it'll go to this menu. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for a simple introduction of this new camera control button. I'm going to show you, go through it one more time. So if you just push it once, then we're going to go to depth. Oops, I think this is still on one of the other options. Okay, so if you click it twice, it's going to take a picture. If you hold it down, it's going to turn into camera mode. So this is kind of convenient, actually. Whenever you're ready to take a video, you're just going to hold it down. And lastly is to adjust the camera settings, like zoom in, zoom out. You want to make sure you feel the vibration once. If you want to go to the menu, click down twice where you feel the vibration twice, and you'll go to that menu. Whenever I want to zoom in and out, I'm going to just tap it once. You're going to want to make sure that you feel the vibration, and then now you are in the zoom. So it's basically these three things as an introduction. Go ahead and play around with it. And I hope this video helps as an introduction to this new camera control button. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.